Hello everyone, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday from just outside of Epcot. And there's Spaceship Earth, which is a little ride inside that golf ball. And we just got back in the nick of time. It's been absolutely roasting earlier on, but then we noticed the clouds rolling in and it's thundering. Look at this dirty cloud. So I'm in the Dolphin Resort, and across the way is the Swan Resort, denoted by the swan, and we have a dolphin on ours. I don't know if you can see it from here. No. And then the boats that run you round from the various resorts across the way. So there's the boardwalk. That's the wedding pavilion. My brother actually got married in there. But it's a beautiful little boardwalk to walk around, all little shops and bars, eateries. And then across the way is the yacht club and beach club, and we were in there for breakfast this morning, so I could have my mini waffles. They were really nice. But it's just a lovely area, and luckily we're just in a room above where we stayed last year. Ooh. And this time we have two balconies. So this is in a corner of the building, and it runs top to bottom, and then you just get a section of balcony. Then that room there is ours, and then we've got a balcony around the corner as well. So I'll take you through. This is where I've been cross-stitching, but I'll take you through to the other balcony. And this is the second balcony. So it's just big enough for two chairs and a little table. And it works that you get alternate balconies. So you might get a room with not a balcony or a balcony, and that's that's the Dolphin. And swinging round, so that's the view, and the other balcony is round that corner. But I just wanted to show you this area. It's lovely when the sun's shining. Oh, let me just sit down. So we've been around Epcot. It's about 4 o'clock at the minute, and normally we get storms around this time, but I just wanted to show you that I started doing the black edging around her shoes, and then all that needs filling in, so I'm hoping to make some progress on that. Yeah, so hoping to get some of that done today. Sit out here. Oh, it lightened then. I think I'll be going inside shortly because I don't want it raining on my canvas. But I'll be putting a room tour video on. And literally this room is just on the 7th floor. We were on the 6th floor, and we was in the room just below it last September. And in June when we stayed here, we were just in a normal room with no balcony. So we're just trying it out, see what it's like. but it's a great area if you want to be close to Hollywood Studios. Let me just put these inside in case it rains. If you want to be between Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and then you've got a lovely little boardwalk, which if you walk, oh, there's a bridge there, and then behind the wedding pavilion, and then along there, and then it brings you out there. It's lovely. It's a really nice place. So I don't know, well, I think, yeah, the wind's picking up now, so yeah, definitely a storm's moving in. I think it might be raining now. It sounded like it was raining, but I'm still dry and I'm stood outside. Yeah, so I'm gonna get a shower, do a bit of stitching, and then we're just gonna stay in the hotel. We'll go to oh, it is raining, Rosa Mexicana, and have some guacamole and some lobster with some tortilla chips, and that'll be our evening. And then tomorrow, well, the boat that comes down here normally, we'll catch the boat from around there, and then we'll make our way up there and Hollywood Studios. And we've got some rides booked, and I think we finish around lunchtime, and then it's checkout day, and we'll be back at the Sheraton, where we just pack an overnight bag, and we just pop across on these mini stays, and then we just go back to our original apartment. So it's lovely. So I'll leave you now. Hope you have a good Tuesday, everybody, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.